Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and do I have a success story for you today? Client ID 6601 for the record. Now, our client, let's call him John, had a telco default of around $2,500, unable to proceed with his finance application, and he came through his broker to us on the 14th of July of 2023, and by the 11th of August 2023, we had removed the default and emailed across the clear credit report, and the removal fee was only $1,200 plus GST. So there you go. Nothing payable upfront with us. You only pay if and when we get a result for you. If it's going to be a faster case, we'll adjust our fee to give you the best value possible. You'll get weekly email updates from the team. You'll get good news in the middle. You'll get a welcome SMS from me, and I personally handle all of the written negotiations with banks and lenders and telco providers and other providers too. So would love to have you on board, would love to help, even if it's just for some education. Maybe you just don't understand your credit reports. We're here to help. It's education first, money second at Credit Fix Solutions. We look forward to helping should you need any assistance when it comes to your credit report. Thanks for listening.